In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rearward upper control arm on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before you take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel. Take that out and grab the wheel, slide it off. Before we take this apart, we're just going to take a marker and mark this cam. We want to put it back as close as possible. You're still going to need an alignment after you're done, but this will get it close. Using an 18mm wrench on the back side of the bolt, 18mm socket, take the nut off. Should be able to rock back and forth. You take the washer off. Just got it under there with just a straight blade screwdriver. Slide that off. Just take a hammer, tap the bolt out. Take that bolt out. Take an 18mm socket, take this bolt out. Grab the bar. And slide it out. Take the new arm, slide it in place. You can get the bolt started over here. Before we tighten that down, get the other bolt in. There we go. Put that washer on. All right, make sure you get that close where it was. Still want them loose because we want to raise up on the suspension. I'm going to raise up on this, just use a pull jack. It would be ideal if you could get the tire on, have the suspension on the ground, and then torque these down. That's not the easiest thing, so do the best you can. Get it as close to ride height as possible, being safe. I'm going to torque this to 73 foot-pounds. Make sure that's lined up. And then we'll torque this one to 73 foot-pounds. And now we can lower the pull jack. Be careful. Take the wheels, line the holes up, get the lug stud started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.